Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to copy a table in Google Docs. Let's get started. First, highlight the whole table by dragging your mouse and holding down on the left button. Then on your keyboard, click on Ctrl C to copy it. Then with your mouse cursor, click on the area where you want to paste your table and click Ctrl V. You also have the option to right-click after highlighting and you will find there the copy and paste options. The same thing is also done to a table with text like this one. Highlight it, Ctrl C, click the area where you want to paste it, then Ctrl V. Lastly, you can also do the same thing to a table with a picture. Highlight, Ctrl C, click the area where you want to paste it, then Ctrl V. And that is how you can copy a table in Google Docs. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.